back to the channel. Today I'm going to try out the Renpho Steam foot bath. This product provides steam to soothe and relax your feet and includes 2 pedals inside that have massage rollers and a pebbled surface area, as well as a place to insert a herbal pack. So this is the box that it comes in. It's easy to use. You don't need to soak your feet in water like a lot of these foot baths use. It has pedicure rollers, and we just talked about that already. It has 3 gears for temperature, so you can choose your function. We'll go over that in a few minutes. And it has adjustable timers for 20 or 30 minutes. The specifications are on the side, and yeah. Alright, so here's a closer look at the steam foot bath. Here's the control panel right here. The power button's on the top. You can choose your temperature between 3 different modes. Obviously, light, medium, high. And then a timer for 20 or 30 minutes. It produces steam in 10 seconds and reaches the maximum level in 5 minutes. So it's not time consuming. If you wanted to sit back and enjoy yourself, you can do that. It only uses 1.5 cups of water, 380 milliliters. So it's very easy to fill the water. You don't need a lot of it, like I just mentioned. All you have to do is press this on the back, lift it up, and right on the back, you unscrew it and fill up your water in the sink. You don't need to slug around a whole container of water dripping everywhere. It's nice and convenient. Down here at the bottom, there's another compartment that you just press and empty out the water that has been used. Very easy, not a hassle like a lot of these other things. Now, there is a soft cover, before I go into some more specs, a soft cover if you would like to cover your feet up at all and stop any sort of light spraying of water around you. It's nice, it's easy to put on and take off like you just saw. So we talked about the foot pedals. They are non-motorized, so that's why I can easily take them out. And have a nice pebble finish to soothe and stimulate your feet. You can place any sort of herbal pack in here. I don't have any, so I can't demonstrate that for you, but that is where that goes. They do have them on Amazon if you just type in foot packs or soaking packs. So I know we just talked about the water, but once the water is gone, there will be an indicator light here, and the foot spa will automatically shut down after 10 seconds. So it's automatic shut off, and you don't have to worry about overrunning or overheating anything. So this is what it looks like not in operation, so let me get it together so I can show you what it looks like in operation. Alright, so let's get it started. The first thing I would like to point out is I have rather large feet, and there is plenty of space in there for them. So you're not going to have to worry about that if you have large feet. So let's start it up. So I have it on the medium temperature so far, and it is starting up. I also have it on the 20-minute timer. It's not very loud either. While on low, it can last for about 65 minutes. On medium, which I have it on currently, it can last for about 60, and then on high, it can last for about 50. For temperature, it can range from about 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 118 degrees Fahrenheit. However you like your steam. Alright, so I don't know if you can see it nicely on the camera, but there's a lot of steam. This is the medium setting as well. So you can see the panel. I still have it on the medium setting with the 20-minute timer. There's a lot of steam, pretty dense. I'm actually going to try out the high temperature just to see what it is. So it's pretty relaxing. The rollers in here, I've tried moving back and forth. I probably won't use that feature. I'll probably just sit and relax unless I have a foot problem. But it's nice. It's soothing, definitely. I do like the high setting a little bit more, mainly because it's a lot more steam and I can feel it a lot more. Okay, I've used foot bath devices in the past that use hot water, but I've never explicitly used a foot steam bath. The other devices that I've used and looked at, they require a lot of water filling and it can really be messy. And so what's great about this is I don't have to worry about sloshing around something with dirty foot water in it after I'm done with this. So this is very comfortable, soothing. You could obviously put this under your desk, or maybe if you're relaxing in front of the TV, you could have this, and you're not going to have to worry about a big cleanup or a noisy situation. I definitely enjoy this. This is very nice, and as the highest setting gets hotter, I like it a lot. It's very soothing. Alright, so that's a look at the Renpho Steam Foot Bath. Make sure you look at the description for more information, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. Thanks for watching.